Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I have 4 miscellaneous products to show you in the Happy Planner fall release. I'll be flipping through each of these in detail in this video. I have the 𝘮𝘗 vertical planner. I have the Christmas planner companion accessory pack. I have a big dotted line notebook and a dry erase board to show you. This release goes live on Thursday, September 4th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Between September 4th and the 8th, there's a sale running. So if you spend $75 or more, you'll get 15% off. If you spend $100 or more, you'll get 20% off. And if you spend over $150 or $150 or more, you'll get 25% off. And the discount will automatically apply in your cart. You don't need any codes or anything. I'll have my affiliate link down in the description box. So if you decide to shop, I'd really appreciate it if you use it. It does help support my channel, so thank you for that. I also have 2 other videos of fall release items up right now. One is the Gilmore Girls collection flip through, and another one is me flipping through 9 new sticker books from this release. There's also a bunch of other planner YouTubers who have videos on their channel, and they probably will have different items than I show, so be sure to check them out as well. Okay, let's jump right into showing you these products. And I'm going to start with the 𝘮𝘗 planner. This planner has a premium cover, as you can see. I can't wait to show you this to you. It is so cute. This planner runs from January 2026 to December 2026. So it's a 12-month planner. This is what it looks like. And be sure if you get any of the covers that are like this, you can see, you can peel this part off here. Not everyone knows that, but there's like a plastic coating on there. I'm not going to do it the whole thing in this video, but actually what you can do is take like an X-Acto knife, because you can see the difference. Like, look, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a protective coating. So you can just take a knife and score along the edge here so that you get it all, and then you peel it up. Okay, but I'm not going to do it all right now. I just wanted to make sure you knew that, so that you didn't think that it was dull looking or something. It's like the same thing with the bookmarks. When you get them, you have to peel off the plastic coating on them too. But let's look at this beautiful cover. It does say 2026, so if you're someone who does not like having the year on the cover, it's okay. It's very small. You could always cover it up with like a name sticker or something later if you wanted to reuse this, but it is just gorgeous. The cover is so smooth feeling. It feels great. And it has 2 pockets in the front. Look how cute that is. You can stick things in there or just leave it as is. I love the scallop detail here. And down here you have these little punched X's. They're just so cute. The whole thing is totally my vibe. I also love the colors. Let's check out the inside though. By the way, in case you're wondering, this is part of the 𝘮𝘗 collection. That includes this sticker book in there, which is absolutely adorable. I do flip through it in my sticker book flip through, but it's so simple and beautiful. I love this sticker book so much. I think it's my favorite one that I received for this release. And there's also other things in the collection. I just only have these 2 items. The name page is very basic and minimal. It will appeal to those of you who like a neutral vibe, but also even if you're someone who likes to decorate a lot, you could totally decorate around this and make it your own. So you can customize this however you want. Here is your 26-27 calendar, which is so unbelievable that it sounds futuristic because we're heading towards 2030, which sounds impossible, but here we are. And then here's your year at a glance pages. Okay, so the currently page looks the same as in previous years. We have a priority list here, 1, 2, 3. An important section here and a take note section down there, and you have the holidays down here. If you're new to Happy Planner, this is a page that you can customize however you wish, of course. You could, if you don't even want to do this priority section, you could cover it up and do something else completely there. You can even decorate it on the whole page, or you can write down to-do lists for the month, or you can use it as I do, which is as a currently page for memory planning and just things you're currently doing or things that are your current favorites or something like that. So there's tons of stuff you can do with these pages. You can see the tabs are really, really neutral. mostly black and gray, which is nice. So here's January. This is your January monthly. Again, we have the dots in the middle as usual. And this is what it looks like. There's no changes here. We still have this note section down here. It's very minimal. It is ready for you to use as you wish, whether it's with pens and highlighters or just a bunch of stickers or however you want to use it. And you have the 3 blocks on each day because it is the vertical layout, and you can use that however you wish as well. I do have videos on, ideas for that, but anyway. So this is going to be what it is for just the entire month, and each of these months are going to be neutral like this. So let's move on and just look at the dividers. This one has a really matte black foil on it. It's just a little bit different than the paper, and I love that. It's so pretty. Here's March. It says take delight in life. This is April and May. June, create a life around what inspires you most. July, what a wonderful thought it is that some of the best days of our lives haven't even happened yet. I love that quote. Here's August, and you can get a feel for the sticker book with some of these too. September, we have some matte gold foil on that one. October, make today count. Love those scallops. November with those little X's, and December. And then I'll show you the back note page, which is going to be very minimal. Yes. And your back cover is just black. Don't forget, when you peel off that film, you also need to peel it off from the back if you want it to look cohesive. So that is the Heritage Charm Planner. Obviously, it's a classic size. I think this is a gorgeous planner. And to be honest, I feel like if I was working outside the home now, I would be using this as a work planner because it's something you can take with you out into the world without somebody going, why do you have that super colorful decorative planner sitting on your desk? If you want to disguise the fact that you're a decorative planner, although I say shout it from the rooftops, but if you don't want to, this is like a really professional looking neutral planner that you can take anywhere with you. Next up, let's take a look at this planner companion accessory pack, and it is all about Christmas. It's a collaboration with Joe Taylor, it looks like. I did not know that, but let's check it out. Oh, Pink Light Studio. Yeah, she's from Pink Light Studio. Okay, I love that you get a little pouch in here. I'm all about the pouches. This one has a gold zipper. And it's not big, so you're not going to be able to put pens in here, but you could totally put washi tape in here, or you can put change in here, or you can hold your receipts in here, or you can put whatever you need. You can even keep this in your purse for, I don't know, your little, I don't know what. I'm trying to think of something, like your contact lens case and some Advil or something. You know what I mean? It's just a little cute purse that you can use for whatever you want. Not purse, pouch. It's kind of shiny. I love the grid pattern. Let's check out this folder here. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Not yet, Happy Planner, not yet, but we can prepare ahead of time, okay? I love this pattern. That's really cute. Okay, so you get a lot in here. These planner accessory packs are great if you're someone who's just getting started. Why are these hooked on? Oh, they're hooked on for a reason because they're envelopes. If you're just getting started with happy planning or planners in general, these are a great taste for you. But also the holiday ones are great for creating a holiday planner inside your own planner or a separate holiday planner in general. So sometimes I use a separate holiday planner if I'm need a gift planner or something like that. I don't always do it. Sometimes I just have extra pages in my regular planner, or I'll use a bullet journal or something like that. But this is great for that. Now let me see how these are attached here. Oh, they just have a little sticky on it. Okay. I was afraid to pull it. I didn't want to wreck them. So we have 3 plastic envelopes. One looks like this, and it's like a skinny size that sits in the classic planner. These are mini size, but you can also put them in a classic planner or a big planner if you want. This says Very Merry. This says Making Seasons Bright. They're really cute, and they're little pockets, so you can put whatever you need in there, little envelopes. These would actually be really cute for, like, if you didn't use these in your planner, they'd be really cute to give like little gifts in and stuff. You could actually cut this off and you have like a little envelope, you know what I mean? If you had like a gift card or something to give somebody. We have 20 pieces of note paper here. These are pink, which is one of my favorite colors. They say 'tis the season. And then on the back, it's green, and that's so cute together. Look at that pink and green together. And the red and green in the middle, that's so fun. And I love how everything is contained in this folder so that you can just keep it in your closet and pull it out next year or whatever. Oh, these are really pretty. So these have red foil on them. They're paper stickers and these cute little gifts and ornaments and bows. Very, very cute. So they're calling these vision boards, but you can use them however you wish. They're kind of like memory planners for Christmas. Yeah. So it says holiday favorites, favorite meal, favorite gathering, favorite gifts. You can do a little journaling there. Favorite tradition, favorite movie, favorite dessert. But you can also just use these as is, and then you can like put paper on the back if you want, or you can cover this up and use it for whatever you need. It doesn't have to be this. That's the beauty of Happy Planner. Like, it's very customizable, everything, you know. I love this page. You could do journaling there or whatever you need. You could do your gift list there, whatever. And then we have a dashboard here. This is, a dry erase board. I would recommend using wet erase markers on these. They work better. The dry erase markers tend to smear quite a bit. So I use wet erase markers on stuff like this, but we have a to buy list here. Blank days until Christmas, things to do. And then this says merry and bright, and you can use this for whatever you need. You can pop this into your regular planner and keep it and, reuse it. You can reuse this from year to year if you'd like. So that is everything in the planner accessory pack. And I'd like to say it put me in a Christmassy mood, but to be honest, it's not even September yet. I'm not quite there yet, but I will be. I will be. Now let's take a look at this big dotted line notebook. It's a Tara Reid collab. Here's the cover. It says, "Let the beauty of your dreams take flight." It's like this magenta foil and these pretty flowers. And then we have some blue here. Wait till you see the paper. I wanted this for a reason. It says, "Find the beauty in today." And there's 3 different sections here. So you can create your own custom notebook however you wish. These Happy Planner notebooks are great for that. You can use it as like a separate planner for something, or you could totally make sections in this with these dividers. You can put stickers on them that say things like, I don't know, home ideas or movies to watch or something like that. However you want to categorize your notebook. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? This says note to self. So this paper is actually purple, and I am going to show you the difference by getting you a piece of white paper to show you. Okay, this is why I wanted this notebook, because it's lavender. And you can tell the difference now, but when you're first looking at it, it's like, is that purple? Is it not? But it's definitely purple paper, which is hard to say, kind of. But yeah, love it. And I love the little butterflies or moths or whatever they are. And let me just show you the dividers. Also, there's like this pattern in the middle with these purple leaves. This says wild and free. That's what that looks like. And then dream big, dream often. Ooh, that's so pretty. And there's your back cover. I just thought it was really cute with that purple paper. I love colored paper. It reminds me of when I was a kid and I had like these notebooks. I think it was spiral notebooks or something, but they had colored paper in them like that, colored line paper, and I was in love with them. The last item I have to show you in this video is this dry erase board set. These are magnetic, if you didn't guess that already. These are so cool because they're really thick and they're magnetic. This whole thing's a big magnet. They will go right on your refrigerator or on a file cabinet or wherever, you have a metal thing. So let's look at each one individually. This one is your weekly one. and it has Sunday through Monday. You can write this way or you can write this way, whatever you want. I think this one would be great for meal planning, to put like in your kitchen and just have each meal for the week. Like you could write tacos or whatever, you know. So if you're someone who likes to meal plan, I think that would be a good way to do it. You could also, of course, use it for your own purposes, like your workouts or whatever you need it for, or people's schedules or something, but that's for the weekly. And then you have a monthly layout right here, and it looks just like a monthly calendar. And this would be so good for like a month at a glance in your kitchen or wherever, so that you didn't have to pull out your planner every single time you wanted to see something. Or if you're someone who doesn't really use a planner, but you'd rather see something in your face all the time, I think this would be good for you. I'm probably going to use this in my kitchen just as like a quick reminder of my week, because I typically either look at my planner or I look at my Google Calendar. But I haven't had one of these kinds of calendars in a really long time, like on display. And I feel like this would be helpful. Either that, or I'm going to use it for release dates so that I know when things are due for work, because sometimes like my work planner isn't always open and sitting there. So this would be really helpful for work purposes for me. So I would just have to find something metal in here to put it on. Yeah. But anyway, I think these are really useful, and they come, like I said, as a set. Okay, so that is everything I have to show you in this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of these items, and don't forget my affiliate link will be in the description box. I appreciate it when you use that. Thank you so much. And I guess that's all I have for you today. I will see you in my next one. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.